बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। जी मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स शेयर करूँगी वो जॉब्स आई थी डॉन संडे अप्रैल 21 2024 के अखबार में। तो मेडिकल की जॉब है पहली, डॉक्टर तौसीफ़ अमीन्स मेडिकल कोर्स फॉर USMLE HAAD DHA MOH MCCAA AMC FCPS MRCP। मोबाइल नंबर है 0322827151 0322827151। फीमेल ड्यूटी डॉक्टर्स OB/GYN ड्यूटी डॉक्टर्स आर रिक्वायर्ड फॉर मॉर्निंग/इवनिंग शिफ्ट। प्रेफरेंस विल बी गिवन टू MCPS/FCPS। Trained candidates female registered nurse/midwife for all shifts, preferably 2 to 3 years experience in gynae/OBs Bakht Bhari Chinude Hospital Azam Town DHA 1 Karachi। फ़ोन नंबर 35382215 35382215। एक और PTCL नंबर है 3538885524 3538885524। एक और मोबाइल नंबर है 03002178 363 03002178 363। व्हाट्सएप नंबर है 0349 223968 0349 223968। ईमेल bbch_786@hotmail.com bbch_786@hotmail.com। ज्वाइन आवर डायनामिक टीम एट अ लीडिंग पॉलीक्लिनिक इन नॉर्थ नाजिमाबाद ब्लॉक L कराची। वी आर seeking dedicated professionals for full-time/part-time roles as general physicians, eye specialist, ENT specialist, gynecologist, pulmonologist, diabetologist, dermatologist and more. If you are passionate about providing quality healthcare and making a difference in patients' lives, we want to hear from you. Send your CV to asmat.sultana39@gmail.com or WhatsApp 0300-829-1325 0300-829-1325 to apply. Take the next step in your medical career with us and be part of a supportive environment where your skills are valued and nurtured. General surgeon required at OMI Hospital Karachi FCPS/MS. Candidates with FCPS Part 1 and completed training can also apply. Info at drimtiazahmed.com 0331259732 0331259732। जमाल नूर हॉस्पिटल रिक्वायर्स एक्सपीरियंस्ड फिजिशियन ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ FCPS MRCP मिनिमम 5 to 8 ईयर ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस। आई सर्जन FCPS मिनिमम 5 to 8 ईयर ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस। कॉन्टैक्ट 021387981128 021387981128। डॉक्टर शहाब 1961@hotmail.com Dr. Shahab 1961@hotmail.com। Lady doctor required for morning evening sonologist plus gynae plus medicine plus emergency duty. Timings at 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. and 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. Also required family planning for morning or evening. Also required gynecologist/pediatrician, general surgeon/general physician. Marwat General Hospital near Zamzama Commercial 0334005656 0334005656। एक और मोबाइल नंबर है 0300928817 0300928817। मेडिकल ऑफिसर रिक्वायर्ड सीनियर विद 10 years एक्सपीरियंस, जूनियर विद 2 years एक्सपीरियंस। OT टेक्नीशियन रिक्वायर्ड। सेंड योर CV at ma.khidwai15@gmail.com ma.khidwai KIDWAI15@gmail.com। कमरुल सलाम हॉस्पिटल पंजाब कॉलोनी DHA is looking for the services from experienced for 2 hours in the morning shifts on percentage basis. Gynecologist, ENT specialist, pediatrician, dermatologist, nephrologist, cardiologist and diabetologist. Email recruitment_mh@yahoo.com or call 0334441339 0334441339। Required female RMO for morning for a hospital located at Guru Mandar Hospital. Email CV hopekarachi@gmail.com. Mention position in the subject line. Contact 02132239930 02132239930। एक और PTCL नंबर है 02132243889 02132243889 required male/female account officer/assistant. Attractive salary. Please contact administrator personally along with CV and testimonials. Habib Medical Center, Karimabad, adjoining to Magnet Shopping Mall. Phone number 363496788283. 363496788283. Email h.m.c.k@live.com. Required male doctor for morning mobile clinic. Email CV hopekarachi@gmo@gmail.com. Mention position in the subject line. Contact 02132239930. 02132239930. एक और PTCL नंबर है 02132243889. 02 सॉरी मुझे किसी बात पे हंसी आ गई. 02132243889. Required male staff ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है नाइट शिफ्ट फॉर ICU/NICU एट अ हॉस्पिटल लोकेटेड इन गुरु मंदिर हॉस्पिटल. email CV hopekarachi@gmo@gmail.com. mention position in the subject line. contact 02132239930. 02132239930 को एक और PTCL नंबर है 02132243889. 02132243889. Required RMO for evening shift. Email CV hopekarachi@gmo@gmail.com. mention position in the subject line. contact 02132239930. 02132239930. एक और PTCL नंबर है 02132243889. 02132243889. RMOs required for morning shift. WhatsApp your CV on 03472737835. 03472737835. Kindly do not call on this number. कॉल नहीं कीजिएगा और विजिट अमजद हॉस्पिटल मेन राशिद मिनास रोड अपोजिट ओल्ड अलादीन पार्क. फॉर कॉल असिस्टेंस 348-00050. 348-00050/348-00895. 348-00895. Senior Medical Officer ICU MBBS MCPS training in anesthesia/intensive care. Having 2 years experience. Evening shift. Casualty Medical Officer Peds Emergency MBBS having 2 years experience. Evening/alternate night shift. Infection Control Nurse BSCN or equivalent qualification having 2 to 3 years experience. Kharadar General Hospital is a tertiary care and postgraduate teaching and training center recognized by CPSP, PMDC and PNC. Please forward CV to HR department at Kharadar General Hospital, Aga Khan Road, Kharadar. Phone number 325-10113, 325-10132-116, extension 173. Email kgh.hospital@gmail.com. kgh.hospital@gmail.com. Trained pediatric doctors are required for RIMS trauma hospital shift. Alternate night/evenings. Timings 8 p.m. till 8:30 a.m/2 p.m. till 8:30 p.m. Only trained TCH/MCPS/FCPS doctors will be preferred. Interested candidates can WhatsApp CVs on 030626 or email cvs@careers.rth@gmail.com. careers@rth@gmail.com. Urgently require male/IT network engineer minded candidates with attractive salary package. Please contact administrator personally along with CV and testimonials. Habib Medical Center, Karimabad, adjoining to Magnet Shopping Mall. Phone number 363496788283. 363496788283. Candidates email h.m.c.k@live.com. h.m.c.k@live.com. Urgently required country sales manager reputable company seeking a dynamic country sales manager for a leading brand specializing in leather jackets and leather goods. Must possess a strong network in the international leather market and local buying houses. Please send your CV to info@ojtech traders.com.pk or WhatsApp on 0300 2103 0300 2103 A real estate builders requires male/female staff for sales and marketing. Salary plus commission. Contact 0300 2311 0300 2311 Regional Sales Manager South, based in Karachi. A Karachi-based international pharmaceutical company is looking for a talented individual to head its southern region sales team. The right candidate must have complete knowledge about the market, its dynamics, and contacts in cardiology field. Must be able to groom and develop a team to lead the effort to increase penetration of our research-based medicines in the South region. Must have experience in cardiology, diabetology, and neurology. The chosen candidate will get above average salary, incentive, and other benefits. Email your complete CV to Karachi RSM, R for Rose, S for School, M for Money @gmail.com. Zonal Sales Manager based in Karachi, a rapidly expanding and reputed pharmaceutical company needs outstanding candidate with previous experience and working knowledge in cardiology, diabetology, and neurology segments. Above average salary, company maintained car, lucrative incentive, provident fund, bonus, and other fringe benefits will be offered to the selected candidate. Email your CV to zsmkarachi@gmail.com. zsmkarachi@gmail.com. Required sales executive at Aquiliner Private Pvt Limited, located Karachi. Responsibilities: manage and support sales operations in Karachi. Focus on cultivating and maintaining strong customer relationships. Conduct market surveys to identify potential leads and opportunities. Generate leads and follow up to materialize sales opportunities. Coordinate with the sales team to ensure efficient communication and workflow. Provide administrative support to the sales department. Assist in the development and implementation of sales strategies. Requirements: bachelor's degree in business administration or related field. Proven experience in sales coordination or similar role. Excellent communication and interpersonal skills. Strong organizational and multitasking abilities. Proficiency in MS Office Suite. Knowledge of logistics or transportation industry is a plus. Join Aquiliner and become a vital part of our dynamic sales team, driving growth and fostering customer relationships in Karachi. Apply at jobs@aquiliner.net. jobs@aquiliner aquiliner.net. तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो। अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।